Okay, hello guys. How's it going? I hope everything is fine, and let me check if I'm live on all my across all my socials, right? And let me pop out this chat from X because I cannot see it. But right now I am doing something like that. Okay, let's go. I hope you can see my can hear my music because I have my speakers turned on. And let me check if everything is fine here. Let me actually test my chat here. I hope I can connect everything. It begins, completed. Yeah, but for some reason I don't see my chat activity on my OBS. And here I'm live as well on my YouTube. That's great. But okay, let me check this out. Test. For some reason, it says on offline. I don't know what's going on here, but I can show you this really quick. So this is the chat. This is the chat, right? And I am live currently on Twitch, YouTube, and X. But for some reason, this thing doesn't connect me to the chat. It says connected. So do I need to reconnect it? Maybe. Let's try to do it one more time, maybe. Okay, maybe let's try to reconnect it. Connected, okay, connected. So now if I type here test, right, it should be... No, for some reason it still doesn't work. Okay, I will handle this next time. I don't think it's too important. I just pop out this chat. That's not so convenient though, but okay, let's see. Maybe I can use this one, right? This one should be good. Okay. By the way, can I pop out? Can I create new doc? Custom browser docs, right? I can create like a new YouTube chat doc, right? And just use URL, for example, for this one, right? Like pop out chat and just copy this one, right? Then we go and put it this here, apply, and there we go. That's my chat. Okay, I think I will do something like this, right? And Twitch, no, not Twitch, but X chat, right? And let me pop out this chat as well. So now I can put them together here. So that's most suitable. Okay, where's my X chat? There we go. That's my X chat, right? Live chat. There we go. Apply. The page doesn't exist. Wait, why? Why it doesn't exist? Okay, let me maybe sign in here. Maybe I just need Okay, I just logged in. So, okay. And where's the chat? One more time. Live chat. Oh, there we go. Okay. Okay, that's better. That's better. Now, I think I can see everything here. Here we go. Yeah, that's better. That's kind of like a little bit clunky, I would say, in terms of... it's not so convenient for handling, but that's all right. Okay, the first thing I want to do today is to write a post, first and foremost. And this was like a hard reset week for me when I tried. So I'm doing bad on my socials, right? And I'm not growing. I'm actually declining in my across all my socials, and that feels horrible. I should say, right? And I want to shift my gears a little bit, right? And let's just fully reset my content schedule and stuff like that and create something new. And that's why I decided to drop this live event as well, right? I'm just trying to be more open and vulnerable, I would say, right? And be more, yeah, basically be more open with my work and what I do actually during the day. And yeah, I can show you some of my behind the scenes stuff, right? What I do with content and with my development stuff. So basically this is like experiment for me, and I'm just trying to create more content basically. Then maybe I will chop up this into like small pieces for shorts and reels and stuff like that, but we'll see how it goes. Basically, let's start working and let's see how it goes. You feel free to ask me anything you want, right? And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me, and I can see all of your messages here in front of me. It's not very handy, I would say, right? I have 3 separate chats, but I guess that's okay. Okay, let me maybe do this. Let me get rid of the stream info tab. I don't need it. And let me put this chat right here. There we go. There we go. Okay, so that's okay. This thing I can handle. So basically I just put 3 chats here. Oh my god, and that just... Okay, I use this freaking Atom plugin for my OBS, and it just reset all my docks when I just trying to resize the shape of the window or something like. That's so annoying. Oh my god, guys, can you please do something about that? So annoying. I hope they will fix this bugs along the way, but yeah, for now I have to deal with this. Okay, not a big deal. So let's start. That's my new post, right? I have posted... Okay, no, I just posted every day for 80 days. here's my results. So, yeah. X 0 to... Do I want to translate it to the actual... Okay, let's try this. Let's try this. Right. Okay, can you work, please? Yeah, I have this arrow here, and let's use this one instead, right? 0, 3, 80... Okay, how much? 386. Okay, that's correct. LinkedIn 200, 302. YouTube 0, 150. Telegram 1,500, 680. Threads 12, 62. Blocked 0, 13 actually, right? It's 13. 14. Oh, wow. I'm growing, guys. Look at this. 14. Instagram, basically the same story, right? 100, 100. Blocked. Back to 0. That's right. TikTok 0, 24. Facebook 0, 13. Money earned 0 dollars. What I realized. I don't know a shit about social media and how to grow it. Second, I'm freaking pig-headed. What am I missing? Actually, that's good, right? I think that's good. I think that's good. So let me put the caption here, right? That's the caption. Caption goes here as well for Instagram, right? Threads. I don't think I have a limit on for threads, right? So yeah, let's schedule it on the next free slot, right? Yeah, that's just for today. There we go. Actually, let me pause this here as well, right? So Let me go on YouTube as well. Why not? Why the heck not? Let's change it to anti-code guy. And let's go and create post. Like that, right? So I posted every day for a day here. Oh, wait a second. I forgot one thing. Grammar check, right? Let's check the grammar. No. Wait a second. Oh, there we go. That's the right grammar correction chat. Posted every day for here are my results. Realized I don't know. Okay, let me fix this real quick. I posted every day for here are my results, right? I realized I don't know shit about social media and how to grow it. I'm freaking big-headed. Alrighty. Update. There we go. And there we go. Here are my results. Money earned, what I realized. Okay, schedule. Let's schedule this to... Why did I schedule this? Oh my god, it just cancelled everything. Oh. Can I just post this without scheduling? Why not? Let's do this. Let's post it. And the last one on my Telegram, so... Okay, here's my Telegram. Let's go here. Do I want to schedule this? Or maybe... Yeah, let's schedule it like this. There we go. So there's the post. Okay, this is a little bit different from what I usually post on my socials, so it can be better than usual. Let's see. So the post is done. It's kind of like the new content creation era for me because, you know, like previously I just post. Basically, I created a system for myself, right? When I just create a long form content first, it's kind of like an article or something like that. And what I did, I actually just recorded my speech on voice recorder, right? And then I transcribe everything, translate it to English, and there's my article. And then I condense it into a threads, actually several threads, right? Or maybe just one thread per article. And then I go and create a small version of small pieces of content, basically like posts. And yeah, that was my workflow. Actually, let me post this on Substack as well. No, not this one, but posts, create new note. There we go. Here are my results. Oh, wait a second. I forgot about Substack and Beehive. Okay. Substack 0 to oh my god. 0 to, so how much do I have subscribers? 10. Excluding myself, it's 9, right? 9. Then Beehive 0 to Beehive. I don't think I have like much more, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? 6, just 6. 6. Beehive, and they have double I here, right? Beehive. All right. Can you please not call me when I online? Okay, so wait a second, I just posted this one. Let me edit this and let me add. Why is this so ugly? Oh my god, what's wrong with post? There we go. It's kind of ugly, right? All right, and finally, let me fix the post. From my Telegram. There we go, Substack, and Beehive. There we go. So, I was about to posting this note here, right? So let's do this. Here are my results. BI money earned, what I realized, what am I missing? Okay. Post. Note send. So it should be here already, right? And can I post something here? I don't think I can just post the on Medium, right? Oh, Medium as well. Okay. Wait a second. 6 followers, right? I have 6 followers. Views, reads, audience. Sixfold Medium. Okay, let's add this one as well. Rate me. Why not? Beehive Medium 0 to 6. Okay. Almost forgot about Medium, right? Posts. Where can I find my freaking page with notes and stuff like that? There we go. Edit. Let's add Medium here, right? Okay. Medium. I think that's right. I think I don't miss anything. Okay, I hope that's it. I hope that's it. All right. So that's my post for today. I guess I hope this will be enough for now, right? Because so I posted like 3 times per day, minimally, right? During this period of time, more than a year right now, or no, maybe just yeah, more than a year. I post at least 1 post a day, but since the April of 2025, I posted 3 times per day minimum. And so I created here on X, for example, 5,656 posts, right, till today. So it's been quite a journey, I would say, right? So let's see. Okay, what we want to do right now is to go to Premiere Pro, and I want to create a new video because I have something new. So I just shot a video recently, yesterday actually, and this will be a new one, a new type of video. It's not like I usually prepare, you know. So let's see what I can do about that. So project name will be something like okay, let's call it the second web site announcement, because I don't know how to. That's interesting because I want to create a video which is a long, not long form, but a full format, right? Like desktop format and short format as well. So let me think about it. First of all, let's find the video. Videos, because there are a lot of them. And I want to find what I actually recorded here. I think this is, here are my videos, right? Yeah, there we go. That's my website. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Hello, Escape Production. Thank you very much. What's going on? What's going on? How's it going? Thank you very much for joining me. What's up? What's up, my friend? It's just I'm not this sort of a teacher, you know. I'm just I'm learning myself as well, so I don't think I kind of like a reliable source of learning, you know, how to edit videos, but we'll see what can I do here. So also I need to find a footage, a different one that I created with my voiceover. It's like a that I want to put on top of this screencast. So just finished my work and I'm here. Oh, that's great. That's great. So enjoy your time. Thank you for hanging out with me. So, okay, let me see this. Let me find the script actually. This one. This is crazy. You can speed up your website. I think I kind of like you can speed up. Let me try to find this one. Yeah, you can speed up your website. There we go. So I have two separate footages, right? This one, and the second one. I think the first one was better, but maybe. Okay, let's try to put this to here. No. Wait, what? Edios, I'm looking to edit on Premiere. Oh, yeah, I see. You can pick up some tips, that's for sure, from me, because I'm doing it on Premiere Pro. Wait, why can't I use this video here? MP4, right? And this is MKV, yeah. So you should be able to... What's wrong? Oh, it's MKV. Oh, excuse me. Excuse me, Premiere Pro. I'm not trying to fool you. So here are my MP4 files. So the first tip for you, for example, right? So if you recording video on MKV format, Premiere Pro doesn't work with this. It just doesn't for some reason, right? And what you need to do is to remux your file into MP4 format, and you can use those. So that's why I have a duplicate of every video here, right? And I can use only MP4, not MKV videos. So that's the thing. That's the thing. And that's the first challenge. Okay, here are the set of my videos, right? And my footages. There are screencasts. And let's look at not the duration, but the video info. Okay, it's basically 2560 by 1440, right? So, okay, let me ask ChatGPT or something. How can I? Why can't I? There we go. Oh, what's the best settings for my new sequence here, right? Because definitely I need to create a sequence, right? And I don't think I want to create... I think I want to create, export like a, on UHD format, right? On 4K format. It's not HDR for sure, but my source are in 60 frames, 60 FPS, right? And this size. Okay, let's do this. Let's do this. Let me show you the trick. I didn't get this. Are you a newbie in editing and trying to learn it live by doing some... Yeah, kind of like that. Kind of like that. Thank you very much for your question, Chrome and Craft. I mean, I already like edited some of my videos. I'm not pro, and this is kind of like a new type of video that I want to create, and I'm learning how to do it, because previously I shooted like just a talking head form of videos, right? And I can show you the projects, and basically you can find them on my live stream, my previous live streams, and I stream it as well. So this is a new type of video that I want to create. What's your PC specs? Okay, let me show you my PC specs. System. My rig. So there we go. I have i9-9900KF. I have 32 gigabytes of RAM. I have 2 SSDs. It's NVMe, 1 terabyte. And I have a bunch of storage on my local server, like a network. It's basically yeah, my kind of like my external storage, right, in my network, my NAS, and I have RTX 2070 Super. Thank you. No, I'm not German, but a lot of people, for some reason, just think that I'm German. I guess I kind of look like German, right? That's maybe the thing. But yeah, no, I'm not German. Okay, so maybe that's my accent, right? Okay, so let's go actually, let's go on Claude, right? Let's try Claude for this task. Loving your vids. Oh, thank you very much, Roman Craft. I'm honored, actually. It's very humbling. Yeah, thank you very much for hanging out with me, and thank you for... I really appreciate your support. Thank you. And if you have any like suggestions on what type of videos do you want to watch or something like that, because I'm currently thinking about changing my type of content that I create, and that's why actually I try to switch to live more, right, to show some internal work behind the scenes and how I create content actually, and something around my development career, right? And maybe you would be interested in something like that, about development, coding, and producing like some web programming stuff. So I'm thinking towards this side. Yeah, about your PC. Yeah, so I showed you, but I think it's still here, right? Let me put this on the screen one more time. It's not a big deal. So here are my specs. Now you can read it. Yeah, it's 2 terabytes of local storage, and I have my NAS. So it's basically external hard drive on my network. It's about 10 terabytes. Something like that. Hello, Harshit Sharma. Hello, bro. What's going on? How's it going? So I'm streaming. Currently, I live in Thailand, if you're wondering. So I think I'm pretty open on that, right? And sometimes I post things from Thailand, some pictures and stuff like that, but it's obviously mostly not on YouTube, but on my X, my Telegram. Okay, so let's see. I'm creating a video on in Premiere Pro using these footages. Tell me what settings I need to use for the sequence. If I want to make 4K video as an output. Is it better, and I want to ask it, is it better to set 4K resolution up front or to upscale my video during the export, right? During the rendering process, right? Rendering process. That's my question. I'm from India. Hello to India. Hello, Escape Production. Thailand. Yeah, I'm in Thailand. What's wrong with that? What's funny about that? And let's ask the same thing to ChatGPT. I'm not Thai, obviously, right? But I live in Thailand. And the same picture, so let me have this picture here. Screenshots, there we go. That's my screenshot, right? And let's see what they suggest us. So let's see what Claude says. I answer as set your sequence at this resolution to match your source footage natively, then upscale it to 4K during export using high-quality scaling algorithms. This approach preserves maximum quality and editing performance. Why match source resolution first? Your footage is this resolution, right? Sample rate with compressed stereo audio. When you create a sequence that matches these exact specifications, Premiere Pro performs no scaling during editing, which means zero generation loss during the editing phase, faster real-time playback since no real-time scaling calculations occur, more accurate preview of your actual source quality, reduces CPU, GPU load during complex timeline work. Okay, if you set 4K sequence up front, Premiere Pro must constantly upscale every frame in real time during editing, which degrades performance and gives you a false preview quality that doesn't reflect your actual source material. Okay, so there goes my optimal sequence settings, right? Export settings for 4K upscaling, while when you're ready to export, use these settings. Okay, that's good. So, okay, that's basically what I expected. Let's see if this thing matches with what ChatGPT thinks about this. If your final deliverable is 4K, set the sequence to 4K from the start. Okay, we have now a two separate opinion, guys. So which one do we choose? Don't rely on upscaling at export only. It creates more friction, worse previews, and less control. Premiere handles upscaling per clip very well inside a 4K sequence. Huh. From your screenshot, footage resolution this, frame rate consistent, your source is 56% of true 4K pixels. To some upscaling is inevitable no matter what. So some upscaling is inevitable no matter what. Correct sequence settings for 4K master. For some reason, I feel that Claude answer is more inclined to the truth, right? What do you think, guys? Do we go with 4K settings from start up front, and do we set like 4K on my sequence, or do we choose 4K only when we render the video? Bro, come to India for explore. Yeah, why not? One day. Thank you very much for inviting me. Exporting on 4K doesn't mean better quality, bro. Yeah, I know, but it will upscale this thing, right? It will upscale the video, and it will match the resolution in a lot of devices when they would watch the video. Why not? Why don't we upscale it? Emoji known as grinning, squirting face. What? Squinting face. What? excuse me, represents hardly laughter, excitement, or extreme joy with its white, green, and tightly closed X-shaped eyes similar to the digital. I mean, I know. It's just long time for render. Yeah, exporting on 4K resolution doesn't mean you would get better quality. Yeah, but it will be 4K, right? I mean, that's exactly what I want. So, how do we go about this? Do we create 4K native sequence, or do we create 2K sequence and then export to 4K? I think we go with the Claude's advice, right? I think that's, we go with native resolution of the source, right? And then we upscale it during rendering process. I think that's the thing. Use proxy media. Okay, I can use proxy for like better performance during editing, but I don't think I will struggle with that. But we'll see. We'll see. Maybe I will need it because this video is too short, I think, for that. It's just 3 minutes long or something like that. Okay, guys, I need a quick break for I need to go to the bathroom real quick and then do my workout. Routine is just maybe 5 minutes long, not too long. So let me put this here. Where's my paint? Do I have paint? I don't have for real? Okay. Let me use this one though. I use Adstera for earning what? What's Adstera? What the hell are you talking about? I have no idea. Earning what? We talking money? No, I use my brain to earn money. I don't use some sort of tools. Okay, okay, let me put this here, right? So you don't miss a context of this. And let me put this here. Doing my workout and bathroom thing. Be right back. There we go. He's not talking to you, he's talking... Oh, okay. You have some dialogue here. In Astera, you can monetize your website or buy smart links. Oh, is it kind of like Google AdSense or something like that? I mean, Google Ads network. Buy traffic and have a website. It's an alternative for AdSense. Oh, it's alternative. Okay, okay, I see. So it's kind of like an independent from this type of advertisement networks, right? Sounds cool. If you can earn some money from it, why not? Affiliate. Oh, it's affiliate. So you need to basically advertise their thing on your website. That's how it works. I see. Okay, guys, be right back. 5 minutes. Yo guys, I'm back. Finally. Thank you very much for waiting for me. Okay. Oh yeah, you have some dialogue here. Okay, okay. So, Harshit, it sounds a little bit cheesy. Don't you try to just sell something here? If you do, please don't, because I have an idea for you. I'm a one-year experienced video editor and just came up to your channel and noticed your shorts are literally not performing. Yeah, they don't. Some of them are, some of them don't. Because, okay, let's see on my, let's go to my dashboard and let's look at them. So the last one doesn't perform at all, right? And if you look at my shorts, I have some of them that got like almost 2K views, you know? So some of them don't, but some of them I guess it's okay for me having just the, I don't know, like 150 subs, right? It would be nice if you send me RAWs for only one video and I will edit it for free. Okay, okay, thank you. Let's try, and I'm open to any type of suggestions. And yeah, if you like have free time to spare for that, and if you're professional, but I want to maybe, I don't want to basically to redo these videos. Okay, maybe let's try with my raw footages because I have a bunch of them. As you can tell, looking here, right? I still have a lot of like raw footages that I haven't edited yet, so. But I'm not sure if it, okay, let me think about it. So let's contact, can you find my contact somehow? If you can't, please tell me, let me know. Yeah, you can find all my links across. It's Anti-Code Guides, basically my website, right? anticodeguide.com/links. And here you can find all my socials, and you can basically DM me on X, on LinkedIn, somewhere, on Telegram as well, on Instagram. You can Discord and Gmail. Okay, then find me. Here's my website, and you can find my email here. So send me your contact there, okay? On my website. Okay, let's continue, guys, right? So where were we? We were about to create new sequence, right? And HD, do we have some sort of presets for that? I don't think we do, right? Alrighty, so editing mode. Okay, let's see what this guide suggests us, right? Optimal sequence settings. There we go. Frame size should be 2560 by this thing, right? It's horizontal, vertical, right? So 16 to, yeah. Square pixels, no fields, 60 FPS timecode, right? Do we go with this color space or something else? 48,000 hertz is enough, I guess, right? Preview file format, QuickTime, I don't think it matters. Right? Nature footage. Format. What else? Do we need to change editing mode? Or the custom is good enough for that? Okay, let's try. Just send an email. Thank you. Thank you. All right, so that's the sequence, right? And we have a bunch of videos here. Let's see. I'm not sure with what I want to start. I think I will start with my website, right? So I just want to show my process of getting this performance results, right? That's kind of like the main thing. Also, I want to show different websites. Let's try to put those here. Let's see. Okay, the performance of this site is good, right? So it's not very... Okay, let's try to look at them all, I guess, right? And these four. There we go. Okay, let's see if we will use this one. This one we definitely will use. Wait a second. Where's my own website? I think it was... There we go. Hello? Although there's the performance of the mobile version is 88, right? Maybe we will go with that. Let's see. Okay, let's remove this one. The performance of this is not so good, so it's 47. Okay, definitely we go with this one. Six to 7 here. That's okay though. $88, that's better. I don't think we go with that. 90, wow, that's a really cool one. Okay. Let's remove this one. 66, that's okay as well. 83, that's great. 98, that's awesome. This one, 66 on mobile. Okay. 94, that's great as well. 81. Okay, basically, I think we will use something like this. 47. 67. 44. 55. Okay, let's remove this one. It's 9. Okay, I think I know which one I will leave here. Like this one, right? 66. Then we go with 55, and then we go with this 67, but there goes 44 on mobile. And this one 81. Okay, this one is good. Okay, I think we have like 3 websites like this, right? And we just need to make sure that we cut them at the right sequence, right? I'm a photographer and I want to grow on Instagram, so you want to editing help from me. What type of photography do you do as K-Production? Is it like some sort of small niche in photography or some specific genre do you take photos on? Okay, and what I want to do here, let me unlink those audio tracks. I basically don't need them because this is kind of like a B-roll for me, right? And I don't need that. And let me see what's up with this video here. Wait a second, what's wrong with the audio? Oh, wait a second. What's going on here? Should be good now. Oh, now it's good. Okay, maybe that mixed up with my audio player, right? So okay, so I have several starting points for each of my socials, right? For LinkedIn, for YouTube, etc. And I have this opening phrase like what's up TikTok, what's up YouTube, and stuff like that. And how do I put this? Do I need to create a separate, basically separate sequences for each of it? Or do I go with just one sequence and just swap the beginning? Wedding photographer. Oh, wow, that's beautiful. That's beautiful. Um, do I go with this one, by the way, or with this one? Let me see this one. Chrome and Growl just trying to put everyone on Discord. Okay, let's chop up this video, right? Because definitely I need all these parts. There we go. One more in your camp. One more on Discord. Okay, the next one will be this one. So for now, I do just a rough cutting, right? Just to chop up all this. Okay, let's cut this here. Hello, my Telegram friends. So it's TikTok, YouTube, Telegram, LinkedIn. It should be Facebook and Instagram. Yeah. It's here, right? Let's cut this thing off. There we go. Okay, this video will take me a lot of time to edit, that's for sure. What the hell am I talking about? Spell Webflow, no, some bullshit crap I just talked. Okay, so how do I do this? Let me just put those clips somewhere here, right? And let's just focus on the first part, and then I will decide how to deal with all these parts from a different socials, right? So let's start with this one. And that's the moment do I want to cut myself here? I think I do. Okay, that's not a big deal. Okay, let's cut this thing here, right? That's By the way, is it loud enough for you to hear? Because I don't think it's... By the way, let me increase the volume for myself as well. Because I can't hear a shit. I hope there's no echo for you guys.
Also, I need to pay Webflow for hosting. Also, I need to pay Webflow for hosting the static website, which is a pain.
Okay, let's cut this thing here.
I need to pay Webflow for hosting the static website, which is a pain for me because I know I can host static websites for free nowadays. Can you imagine that?
Yep. Let's chop up this one as well.
So I decided to rebuild my website using this tech stack, and
I think I reshoot this one. Yeah.
Build my website.
This, oops. So let's remove this one here as well.
So I decided to rebuild my website using this tech stack and publish it on free hosting. And here are my results. Look at this. The performance of the website is 10 out of 10 according to Google's performance meter. What about mobile? That's great as well, essential.
That's great as well. I think I need to cut this.
What about mobile? That's great as well,
especially when comparing with the average, right? Let's see.
Performance meter. That's great as well, especially when comparing it with the average. Let's look at some examples of simple static websites that would load under a second, but instead of loading heavily, like we're pulling them from a swarm or something. It shouldn't be like that in 2026, don't you think?
Okay, so there's a pause. We definitely cut this here, right? From the existence.
I want to know, service like this, when I rebuild your website, the modern tech stack, speed it up, optimize it for mobile, and deploy it on free hosting would be interesting for you. That's why I'm launching this service for free. Yes, you heard it right. Completely free of charge for you. What's the catch? You give me permission.
And this part as well. Wait, what?
What's the catch? You give me.
What's the catch? It's right here.
You give me permission to use this as a...
My video is lagging, really? Do you mean my stream or something? I have 0 dropped frames. It's freezed. Let me check my live stream. Only voice coming. YouTube is not receiving enough video to maintain smooth streaming. As such, viewers will experience buffering. I'm not sure why though. I have 0 dropped frames on my OBS. On Twitch, it says unstable. Maybe it's something with my internet or something, but let's see. No, the internet is good. Have no idea actually. I have no idea. So it's everything is fine from my side. I mean, I can see on OBS that the stream is ongoing and I have stable frames. I have exactly 0 dropped frames. On X, let me see. Yeah, it's ongoing here as well. It's live. Okay, I hope it will stabilized eventually, because there's nothing I can do with that, unfortunately. Yeah, I have 0 drop frames, so I don't know. I wish I can switch something to fix it.
You give me permission to use this as a case study publicly and leave it as testimonial. So you get your brand new website that requires 0 maintenance on free hosting, and I build my portfolio of projects like that. It's a win-win. All you need to do is submit this Google form that you will find on my website, anticodeguy.com/links, anticodeguy.com/links. You can find the link in my profile. Let's speed up your website and remove the cost of hosting.
All right, that's good. So that's it in terms of my A roll, or it's a B roll for this video, because it will be like over the screencast I'm sharing here. And let's see on the length of it. It's 1 minute 15, 1 minute 20 seconds, something like that, right? So we need footage around that time. So basically we need to chop up these 4 videos, and yeah, we need to record even more screencasts, because I need to record my submission form and my website, like anticodeguy/links as well. Okay, let's see.
Hey TikTok, are there any business owners with websites out there? Okay, this is crazy. The website I built on Webflow initially worked fine, but there are still...
Okay, let's see what we can do here, right? Because what I need to do basically is to cut this thing here, my background, right? And the one thing I think I can use is keying, right? It's something like Ultra Key. By the way, is there a way that I can use the same effect for every footage here, for every clip? Or do I need to apply them separately? That's the question. And let's see if we can somehow do this. Color channel composite. Setting default, relaxed, aggressive, or custom. Okay. So there goes transparency, matte cleanup. So nothing changes. Nothing changes, I guess that's the composite, right? Should be. Wait a second, let me put me on top of different footage, I guess. How do I do this? How do we pull this off? So let me use maybe... Yeah, I think I have a website right here, right? So yeah, we should be good. We should be good. Watched the live 2 minutes ago, it's freezed. Yeah, there's nothing I could do with that, Romancraft. I mean, I believe you. Is there anything I can do with that? That's the question, right? Because from my side, I can see that it's unstable here on Twitch as well, but I don't know. I have a good stable internet, a good stable connection, and the zero dropped frames basically on my OBS, but it's still not enough information for some reason. I have no idea why. No idea why actually. Okay, let me continue, right? So how do we do this? This is transparency. So we need like 100% transparency, highlight, shadow, tolerance, choke, soften, contrast, midpoint. I'm basically just playing with all these settings here, right? Range, what's that? Spill, luma, color correction, saturation. Oh, wait a sec. Yeah, that's the settings of Ultra Key, but why the hell is hue and saturation here? What? That's weird. So is there a way to remove this background outside myself, not including like this thing here? Because I don't want to cut off my mic here, right? Or my pupils. Track matte key, maybe different one, maybe not Ultra Key, but track matte key, composing matte, video 3, which is what? Which is none, right? Because I don't have anything here. Okay, color key, key color. Oh, for some reason this works even better than Ultra Key. And I know I can use the frame like this, right? So I don't put my... Oh, I see. I can basically create a mask around myself, right? Something like this. Okay, I see. I need to use a mask for Ultra Key, right? So we go with Ultra Key, but I don't want to apply this to the entire picture, right? Just to this part outside of it. Got it. So it goes something like this, right? Should go something like this. Probably there are a better way, right? Some sort of automation to for doing this. It should be, right? So oh, I think I need to put it inside my body right here, right? Something like that. There we go. because I have no black color here on the edges, right? And therefore I will remove them from the video. There we go. So let's do aggressive one. Mask feather, mask opacity. So we don't need any settings on mask. Transparency should be 100. And highlight. Shadow. Tolerance. This one. Something like that, but that feels ugly, right? That's not right. That is not right. So, okay. Let me ask my friend Claude, right? How do we do this? Okay, I want to cut this black background using Ultra Key as if it is a green screen, right? Screen. But it also removes my mic and doesn't remove the edges. Is there a way to create an accurate alpha mask for myself in order to cut the background? And let's ask ChatGPT the same exact question, right? And let me, where's my picture, screenshots? There we go. Ultra Key struggles with black backgrounds because there's insufficient luminance separation from dark clothing hair. I use combination approach, Luma Key for initial extraction plus garbage mates plus rotoscoping for the microphone, or switch to manual masking with a rotor brush 2 for precision control. Why Ultra Key fails on black backgrounds? Ultra Key and almost chroma keyers are designed for high saturation, high luminance backgrounds like green or blue screens. Black presents 3 critical problems. Low luminance differential, your hair, shadows and mic are also dark black. No color separation, black and absence of color, so there's no unique channel to key. Edge spill. Dark edges blend into the background with no distinct color boundary. This is why your mic disappears, it's dark, green, black, and edges remain problematic. Yeah. So solution number 1, Luma Key, garbage mate, this is fastest, right? Step-by-step workflow, remove Ultra Key. It won't work effectively here. Apply Luma Key effects. Luma Key, set threshold to around 3050 just to taste. Set cutoff. These keys are out the darkest blacks. Add simple choker. Effects mode simple choker. Okay. Create garbage mates. Use pen tool to create rough masks around your body outline. Set mask mode to add on the effect control panel. Animate keyframes if you move significantly. Keep the mask loose around the microphone area. Wow. Duplicate your layer. On the top layer, use pen tool to create a precise mask around just the microphone. Set this mask to subtract mode. This protects the mic from being keyed out. Solution number 2, rotor brush, most accurate. Premiere Pro has rotor brush second, which uses AI to separate subjects from backgrounds. Okay, double click your clip to open in source monitor, go to effects, rotor brush, print over. That sounds cool if I have this type of thing. Let's see. Double click your clip to open source monitor. Okay. Go to effects, rotor brush. I don't think I have this one, right? Paint over yourself in the first frame, green brush strokes. Fortunately, I don't have this one in my version. I need to upgrade the version though to the latest one, right? To do this. All right. Solution number 3, color range plus refinement, middle ground. Apply color key instead of ultra key. Sample the black background with. Okay, let's try different one. Why you shouldn't shut on. For future reference, even with limited gear, shooting on green screen or even colored bedsheet would give you clean one-click keying with ultra key, better edge detail retention, no microphone keying issues, peel suppression that actually works. No shit. I still think it's kind of like high effort stuff, right? I don't think I need to do this sort of friction around this just small clip. I think I want to do something differently here. So, okay. Let me try something else. Let me create just a basic mask, by the way, right? I don't want to use something. Mask 1. So where's the mask? Where is the mask? Is this the mask for this clip or for this for the entire for the source itself? I don't get it. Can I basically drop the mask for the entire source here? Effect controls. I don't think I can apply effects on the entire source, right? I just need to apply them separately. Okay, let's ask my helping partner Claude, right? How can I create a mask for the source clip? Is it possible to do just once and propagate it to all the clips I chopped from this source? Or do I need to create masks separately for each of the clips? You can create a mask on the source clip once and it will propagate to all instances automatically. Use master clip effect or apply effects on the source in the project panel, then all edited clips inherit the masking. The rotor brush specifically works in the source and Premiere tracks it across all instances. This is the most powerful approach for your situation. Okay, this is very interesting, but let me check something. Let me check something real quick. Rotor brush and stuff. I want to know if the upgrade will work for me though. Okay, I won't go hard on that, so I will just apply this master clip effect, right? So again, how do I pull this off? Right click your source clip on the project panel, select master clip effects. Okay. Master clip effects. I don't think I see this. Maybe here. Wait a second. Right click on your source clip in the project panel, right? So this is my source clip, right? Select master clip effects. Wait, what? There's no such thing. Make offline, proxy, label, edit subclip, open source monitor, edit original. Okay, how do I apply overlays, margins, magnifications, display mode, pause, split, edit subclip, audio gain, media file, products, reveal in project, insert. Okay, let's ask the guy, right? There is no master clip effects on the context menu. There we go. Master was removed in recent Premiere. Use source clip effects instead. Right click on source, edit in source monitor, or open source monitor, apply effects here. They'll propagate to alternatively nesting effect. Cause confusion workflow issues. Okay, the feature was replaced with more intuitive methods. It replaces source monitor effects, current best practice. Step by step, right click on your source clip, open source monitor. You can see this option on your screenshot. In the source monitor, the clip opens with effect controls panel active. Apply your effects. Yeah, but there's no such effects here. There's no mask here. Effect controls panel is empty. There's no mask. Other settings for the master. Tip. Radical living. Just see radical living once. What's that? What's that about? YouTube. Oh, I think I know the guy. I think he just dropped the YouTube now, recently. The accent. Okay. Oh no, that's the different one though. The hair too. Okay, okay. I'm the only one though. I'm the only one. I don't need to see my doubles, you know. I'm good with myself. Yeah, Cromancraft, maybe can you help me with this? So I want to okay, so look at what I need to do, right? I want to make sure that my basically what I want to do here is to cut off myself from this background and put it like here or somewhere, right? Somewhere here, for example. So how do I do this and apply the same effect for all the clips, right? Because it's like the same, it's basically a lot of small clips from the one source. So can I somehow create a mask and apply it to all the clips simultaneously? So that's what I'm thinking. So the idea here is, the initial idea was to create some sort of ultra key effect, right? But I have no green screen and I have a lot of blacks on my, as you can see here, right, on my hair, and the mic is black, so there's no way for me to accurately just key out the background. So I'm thinking about just creating a simple mask around myself like this, right? Just a rough mask without any precision. And I need to apply the same effect for different clips. Is there a way to do it just once? Yeah, but there's no green screen. That's the thing, and it doesn't work with this, with the black color. I tried this here with this one, but it works bad with black color. It doesn't work at all, I would say. That's not what I meant. Unfortunately, I don't have like the real green screen here, so that's the problem. And I don't want this type of precision, you know. Just a simple mask would be good, right? Just simple mask like this, just the rough edges, without any, you know, fancy stuff, would be good. So I can go with that. Like this, you know? Yeah, I already did this. Like if you watched me like 10 minutes ago. But how do I apply the same mask for my for all my clips? I can copy this, right? But is there a way to basically do it once and for all the clips I chopped here? Or I need to manually just copy and paste them everywhere? Because I can go with that with no problem. I like, that's okay for me. I understand that's maybe not very accurate, right? And maybe not so. File new adjustment layer, place adjustment layer above all clips, and the adjustment layer, oh, okay, okay. I can go with the adjustment layer though. But the adjustment layer will be applied to all the clips beneath, right? But I need it to be applied only on this one. How do I apply it only to this track, to this video track, not this one? Because I don't need to cut the background. How do I do this? And I don't think it's working though. Oh, it's working. Okay. Yeah, something like that. Something like that. Yeah, some editors out there just watch at me and just, you know, do the face palm movements. That's what I'm completely sure about. Okay, but nevertheless, if this shit works, I can remove this mask from here, right? So wait. Yeah. No, again. Look. It works only, it doesn't work for this one. How can I create the mask that will apply on this level, on this video track for all of these clips? It doesn't work like that. So I have a mask, but it doesn't cut me off. Only if I create it on the clip, right? Because the mask here doesn't... Okay, this mask is about the adjustment layer, right? It's not about the clip. So it doesn't apply to the clip underneath. No, it doesn't work. It doesn't work. I don't know. I don't know. You did the mask on the first video clip, then copy the clip and select all clips, right click, and then select paste. Yeah, I know how to do that, but can I apply the... can I just create the mask just once, not copying it and pasting it? I know the thing, but imagine I have 1,000 of it. Do I need to like paste it 1,000 times on 1,000 clip? I don't think that's the right way to do it. I think there should be a more effective way, no? I mean, I get it. Maybe that's the way, but still. It's kind of lame. It's 2026, right? We should have some sort of effective method of doing this, no? Okay. It's kind of lame. We have a freaking AI that generates the clone of me, basically, right? With the exact, like, precision. And we're still manually just copying and pasting this. That's a bit lame. Okay. Copy the clip and select all the clips, right click and select paste attributes. Oh, okay, I need copy clip, right? Copy clip and paste attributes. I think I will do this, right? Just opacity. Yeah, something like that. It's not very accurate, but okay, maybe that's okay for now. Okay, quick break, guys. I need to go to the bathroom. Be right back. All right, I'm back. Okay, so let's scale down myself something like this, right? And let's place myself in here. Something like this. Best was to do Ultra Key. Yeah, but it doesn't work with the black color. It just doesn't work. I don't have green screen, so I have only black screen. I mean, I can show you one more time, right? It's not like I'm not tried to. So there we go. That's the Ultra Key. It's horrible. It doesn't do the cutting. It doesn't cut the background, but it cuts my hair and the mic. So I don't know. How is this better? I don't think it's better. I think it's way worse. Way worse. How to remove green screen on Premiere Pro? Yeah, but I don't have a green screen, bro. It's not a green screen, it's a black screen. That's the issue. I mean, I work with green screen. With the green screen, it's easy. Yeah, I understand that. And I did it a lot of times, but I don't have green screen. I have freaking black screen. That's the issue. I know how it's supposed to work with the real green screen, but unfortunately I don't have the green screen. Okay. YouTube. Let's do this. Like ultra key black background. Okay, okay. Let's see this one. Okay.
Go over and click on the wrench icon. Select transparency grid. You can now see most of the smoke is actually transparent as well. Go over to effects and find Luma key and add it to your video. Go over and click on the wrench icon.
Luma key, right? Okay, let's maybe undo the previous ones. There we go. Let's remove this for now. Luma key, right? There we go. Show. Wait, which one? Show dropped. Show transparency grid. Transparency grid. Let's. Okay.
You now see most of the smoke is actually transparent as well. To correct this, go over to effect controls and modify the threshold and cutoff value so the projected gains transparency.
Threshold and cutoff. I mean, I wish it was as simple as that, right? But either I am transparent myself, right? Or it just cuts off everything. I wish. Okay, what if we play with this one on this side? I think we should work with this threshold, right? Within this one. Just somehow take a brush and rub your face to and a bit on your face. Somehow that's work. I don't know. I mean, it's too much effort. If it's just a one thing, right? It's just a one effect for one clip, but I need to propagate it to all this like 6 clips, right? 5 clips. And this is too much effort for just 1 minute video, you know? I want something easier. I don't think I want to like nerd out this type of commitment for like a simple thing. Like erase the effect in your face. Is that a thing for the effect, so I can erase the effect? If it is, so I do this. That's the problem. That's the problem you face has dark places in your background and also black too. Yeah. I mean, duh. That's the problem, but how do I... fix this? That's the problem. I guess the easiest way I can do here is just to go with the mask. That's it. I don't think I need anything more than that, actually, for this type of video. It's not like I'm trying to be very precise with that, you know. So, okay. I go with this one. This is good enough for me. I will not like worry about this anymore because it's too much work and it's not worth it. It's not worth it, that's for sure. I think you should put your face in a circle. No, I don't think so. I don't think so. I want to create this type of video when it's kinda like a green screen, you know, with this effect. No, I don't want to. It's better to do it this way. It's like rough edges, you know. It's just a simple editing. It's not like I'm trying to win an award, you know, here, an Oscar or something. How's it in stream? Yeah, I think it's just boring, you know. I think this one has more dynamic on it. Okay, and let me actually reset this one. And for the next clip, I will apply the same effect. Channel like this, but I will scale down myself and put myself right here. Oh, by the way, for this thing, Webflow, I need my old website. I need my old website. Can I go to Webflow? And quickly record my old website somehow. View site. Yep. It's still here, right? Can I do a preview? Okay. If your bottom face is cutting, you can do keyframe for your mask. Publish the selected domains. So there we go. By the way, let's do maybe the same thing, right? And let's do the performance check. Where's the lighthouse? There we go. Record this. .74 performance. It's not bad, by the way, but it's still bad comparing to my current website, right? Let's analyze the mobile. Okay, be right back. Okay, so what's that? 60. Okay. Okay, let me find the footage. There we go, that's the footage. And let me put it right here. Thank you, my man. Thank you. I mean, it's definitely not my strength, you know. I'm more like a tech guy. I'm on web development stuff and like that, and that's only my hobby, I would say, right? I'm just trying to make content. So I guess this will be a beginning of the video, right? Then the mobile. This is the last part of it, so remove this, put this here. There we go. Okay, that's better because this is more eye-catching, I would say, right? Okay, let's apply this here. Paste attributes and motion as well this time. Using this tech stack, and here I'm talking about my GitHub. So let me actually do it this way. Using this text stack. Okay, let's do a screenshot of this page, right? This is C run command, full screen. There we go. Okay, so I basically need an image of my GitHub here. So there we go, that's the page. Let's scale it up a bit. Like this. I think I don't want to dox myself here, and let me do this. Okay, so where's my brush? This color. There we go. This color. There we go. How do you think? So there we go. Oh, by the way, let me check the settings of my stream, by the way. Bitrate is good, right? Streaming to be a slow, good quality, high quality 2 passes. Look ahead. Huh. Do I need to maybe enable look ahead thing for now while I'm streaming? Because I turned this off when I recorded stuff. Let me try this, by the way. Maybe this will fix the stream. Using this text stack. Okay, so this will be the initial scale and position, right? And this text stack, and here when I put my finger like this, this should be here. And there we go. There I'm talking about the performance of it, right? So here are my results, and there goes my results, right? That's the first thing. So it's not there yet. So let's cut this more. Yeah. Oh, wait a second. I need to ask a question about mobile first. So I think I missed this one here. Let me put this back. All right. There we go. What about mobile? Okay, let's paste attributes. There we go. What about mobile? So let's cut this here, right? And let's speed it up. Not speed it up, but cut this from mobile results as well. Mobile, where's the results? There we go. That's the results. We can cut this to this position. Here we go. Wait, what? Oh, that's not mobile yet. I think the mobile goes here. Yep. And now let's look at some examples. Okay, and let's put some examples here, right? We have this one. Okay, this is the first example, right? This one, let's cut this off here. Let's see if we can find the mobile results. There we go. Okay, now I'm talking about like pulling this from the swamp, right? So let me go to pixels, right? And let's just try to find maybe some swamp video, right? Swamp. Um, this is freaking crocodiles in the swamp. Can I just get a swamp video or something? Like this one, maybe? Oh, this one. This one is good. Oh, this one. Okay, I think I go with this one. Okay, this is done, so let's put it here. Swamp. And here I need to put it in here. Like this. So Let's cut this here. There goes the swamp, right? And there goes the website. So, what do we do with that here? We basically need to scale it down like this, right? Rotate it. Position it like this. Scale and position number 1, right? So this will be the position. Oops, I forgot to fix the rotation here. There we reset this thing and we basically scale this. Rotate it to here, for example. Something like this. Yeah. Let's put here a second example, which is even worse than the previous one, right? Just real quick. But let me copy this thing now, so I can place it on top of the video with the second website as an example. Paste attributes, motion and opacity. Yeah, there we go. So again, let's cut this thing here. Wait, what? Oh, is it the same website? Yeah, there we go. Let me place here mobile results, right? I think this will be more. There we go. Then we place the last website as an example here. I think I overcutted this one, right? Need to... Yeah. Okay, I think I can use this video even longer, right, than this one, because this one I can chop up to this position here, and yeah, let me reuse this one more time and extend it till this position. So here are results. Okay. Let's cut this here, and let's use the second part with the mobile results for mobile, right? As the second part here. There we go. And now I can put this here, right? And I want to apply, I guess, the same settings to this one. Paste attributes. There we go. Let's cut this from here. And let's find the part with the mobile results. There we go. Okay, now I need to... first of all, I need to put my Google form here, right? Anti-code guy admin. Let's go and let's see my... Where's my little Google form? Here. So, where's my pages? Links. Let's edit this one. And I have this form here. Got it. Okay, why is this untitled? There we go. So, YouTube, X, Meetup, Mastodon, Reddit, Snapchat. Just a link. Okay, maybe I have like a Google Forms or something. No, it's not Google, but it's more like just a link, right? Free website. Redesign form. Here we go, and let's paste it right here. What? There we go. Let's put it on top. Free website redesign form. Okay, let's save it. Let's see if we can find it here, right? There we go, and that's the form. Beautiful. Where will you upload this video? Like everywhere, across all my social.